Hey girl, we back again with another video. So today's hair is from Annabelle or Annabelle, not sure, but if you guys call the title, we doing an epic ash blonde hair tutorial today. I am so scared because I love blondes, but different shades of blondes look good and different shades of blondes don't look good. So today we are altering this wig. The wig I have is the Brazilian straight 613 bob wig in the inches of 14. Y'all know it's spring, it's about to be ending, summer is coming up quickly, and we bringing out the bob. So it has the standard 3 combs in the middle, 1 in the back along with the drawstrings. And yeah, also for this color inspiration, I did get it from this girl on YouTube named Revlon, and I love the color and how it came out, so I definitely wanted to try it. I wanted to try it for myself, okay, just stepping out of my comfort zone all 2019. So I have 2 boxes, well 4 in total, 2 dark ash blondes and a either medium or light ash blonde. Yeah, one of the 2. Y'all can see it right here for yourself. So I'm not sure if I got the same exact colors that she did. I'm not 100% sure, but this is my inspiration, this is my take on it, this is just my recreation of that color. So first off, we're taking 2 of the developers and we're pouring in the bowl, and it's 1 dark and 1 medium ash or 1 light, whatever I had, and we're just gonna mix the 2 together. In total, I bought 4 boxes just to be safe. Now I have a bob, so you really don't need that much dye with the bob, but I love to be extra and I want to make sure the color comes out very pigmented, very vibrant. So I definitely still ended up using all 4 boxes. I probably could have got away with 3.5, but still, what's 3.5, so I just ended up just using the 4th one just to make sure I covered everything. So I feel like the best way to do this is place the wig on your mannequin head and do sections. It's just easier and it would save you a lot of time. So I went ahead and plopped her right on my mannequin head, and she's being secured by the good old T-pins. And we about to go ahead and bring out my handy dandy toothbrush and attack these roots. I feel like when you're using a toothbrush, it gives you more control. With your hair dyeing brush, some of them are so big, some of it is too dense, and I just don't feel like I ever have control. And I feel like I can easily get it on the lace, stain the lace, when I'm using one of those brushes. But throughout the entire root section, I used the toothbrush and I did not stain the lace whatsoever. So that was awesome. That was my first, and I didn't even protect it. I didn't put Vaseline on it. I didn't put goddamn big glue on it. I didn't put nothing. I just chanced it and it came out bombing. You guys would see that. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this part because sometimes it's just better so you guys can just see what I'm doing instead of me talking, so yeah. Alright guys, so this is how the color came out. It's so freaking pretty. Now y'all already know when I'm doing different colors than I'm not used to working with, I be looking all types of crazy. So yeah, like I said, I be looking all types of crazy because I just don't know how it's gonna look on me. So this, my facial expressions, don't mind them. Like, I love the color in general, but like I said, sometimes just new stuff, you just gotta get used to it, period. So I actually filmed this video two times, because the first time I actually put foundation on the lace to, like, I don't know what I was thinking. So like in the outro and the intro, you guys will see where I had like two different lipstick colors on, and that's because I filmed it in 2 different days, because I didn't like the way the wig looked when I had that foundation on that scalp area or the lace area. It was just looking all types of crazy to me. So you can be the judge of that. You can decide for yourself which one you like better. To me, I would prefer the one without the putting foundation on the lace, because it's not even necessary. I don't know what I was thinking, but like I said, I love the color. It's definitely ashy. Y'all know how I love roots, so I really wish I would have added roots. I feel like it would have gave, I don't know. I think it would just give my face a little. It would just. I don't know how to explain it. I just feel like it would just better with my skin tone. But overall, I love the color and how it turned out. So basically here I'm just taking my hot comb and I sprayed some heat protectant on it, and I'm just straightening out the roots. And then we're going to go in with my flat iron. And I know a lot of you be asking about my flat iron. I need to start putting that information in the description section so you guys can do it. So check down there for my flat iron information, because I think I only have like 2 I use, or 2 or 3, and I flip back and forth. But this is a Remington flat iron, but the length, well, the size of it, I'm not sure. So just check down there and it will be there. But I'm just flat iron each section, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not putting any type of curls or anything into the unit. The unit is good to go. Like, I love balls because, like I said, number one, they are so freaking cool. Like, I ain't gotta worry about my neck sweating and just being hot overall. It was just amazing. So overall on the hair, like I said, I didn't have any problem with it tingling when I first got it. It didn't have any smells. It wasn't janky. It was nice and neat and well constructed. This unit does give you shedding. I'm not sure what virgin hair company that doesn't shed, but this unit does shed. It gave me a little bit of shedding, but overall I love this wig to death. I love it, and I love it. And like I said, I love the color. I'm just trying to, I don't know. I'm just trying to make the color fit me, if you know what I'm saying. I don't know, So let me know you guys' thoughts. All information on this wig will be listed down in the description section below. Do not forget to check down there. All details are there. You didn't know, now you know. This wig is TJ approved. You got my approval on it. Yeah, so this is how it turned out. I'm gonna show you guys the other clip. Yeah, this is a different day here when I styled it, but yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.